This is a wonderfully fresh lemon essential oil. I typically use it in my diffuser and it fills the whole room with lemon scent. I've found you can't really go wrong with any of the Now brand essential oil. I have been using Now Foods essential oils for more than 5 years. I used a bottle for more than a year and it still stayed good. Love Now Foods essential oils. The scent is just like fresh lemons. It's a great product. I use in baked goods. Adds extra lemon flavor, real flavor, to muffins and cakes. I use in addition to lemon zest or, when I feel lazy, in place of lemon zest. Very concentrated and a little goes a long way. This is wonderful, I love it. Smells like a fresh cut lemon. Plan on making soap with this and I rub it on light bulbs in my bedroom. Ah, it is intoxicating. Love 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 it. We'll buy more from this company for sure. Packages came wrapped in bubble wrap very nicely. Thank you for a great price on oil. Thank you. I love this scent, citrus always pleases me. I have many pets and I run this in a diffuser. The room smells fresh and uplifting. Favorite oil. Add it to vodka to make air freshener. Add it to water to make lemon water. Unfortunately, the lid broke when opening. Fortunately, I had another top with a dropper available or the oil would have been ruined. No one makes better oils than Now products. I have ordered those, and have never been disappointed. I am going to purchase eucalyptus next. Very nice oil, love the smell. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.